In this video guys, I'm going to be unboxing our brand new XL 5-in-1 multifunction garden tool, and I'm going to be showing you what's inside and also assembling the tool as well. Inside the box comes with the main body itself with the carry handle. Moving down is the chainsaw bar attachment, which comes with 2 chains, a chain bar and a cover. Next is the hedge trimmer attachment, which comes with a cover as well. Here you go. Here is the grass trimmer, which comes with a trimmer head, brush cutter and a guard. This is the shoulder strap, maintenance kit, extension pole and a mixing bottle as well. And also, last but not least, the instruction manual. So here's everything that will come in the maintenance toolkit, which is everything you need to assemble the tool. Let's talk about these buttons on the machine. So this is the on and off switch. Here is the safety button, and then you can press the trigger here. Moving now down to the engine, here is the choke, here is the yank in order to start the engine. And then here you insert obviously the oil and the petrol. And on the mixing bottle, it will tell you exactly how much of a ratio you need to put in. So yeah, also check the instruction manual. The first thing what I'm going to do is going to put the chainsaw bar attachment onto the body, but first let me put the carry handle on. So let me do that first. First thing you have to do is just pull the lever up and then undo the screw. Once it's tightened, then you just need to close the lever. Next part is to put the chain on the chainsaw bar attachment, but first get your spanner and then open up the cover first. Next part is to put the chain on the chain bar. Make sure you're following the arrows so it's put on the right direction. Next part is now time to put it onto the chainsaw bar attachment. As you can see, the 2 holes there, you need to make sure that they're aligned. This is how you tension the chain. As you can see, the chain tensioner is now aligned with the 2 holes, so now you can put the cover back on. Before you tighten up the cover, make sure that the chain is actually tightened on. As you can see, the chain is now tightened. Next part now is to put the chainsaw oil into here, and then once you put it inside, it's time to use it. Once the attachment is ready, it's now time to put it onto the main body itself. So you need to make sure you align it up with the 2 holes, but before you do that, loosen the red screw, push the lever in, insert the attachment. Once you hear the clicking noise, let go of the push lever and tighten the red screw. Now onto the next attachment, I'm going to be attaching the grass trimmer. All you need for that is the brush cutter, the trimmer head and also your guard. First step is get your guard and then insert the wire cutter onto here. The wire cutter will be included in the maintenance toolkit, also with the screws, and then you get your screwdriver and then you just insert it right into this spot here. Next part is to get the guard and attach it onto the attachment, where you will insert 2 screws which are included in the maintenance toolkit. Next part is now time to put the brush cutter or the trimmer head onto the attachment. It is on page 8 on the instruction manual, but stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you how to do it right now. First step is to remove the bolt in order for me to put the trimmer head onto it. To put the trimmer head on, you don't need these 3 attachments at all. All you need is just this 1 ring in order to put the trimmer head on. So simply take the trimmer head on and then put it on anti-clockwise. To tighten the trimmer head, use the provided Allen key and insert it into here. As you can see, the attachment is now ready to use, and in order to put it onto the main body, it's exactly how it was on the first attachment as well. Next step is to put the brush cutter blade on, remove the cover off it. Make sure the blade is correctly aligned. Then first you get the first ring, attach the second one, and then you get the bolt, twist it anti-clockwise, and then use the Allen key to lock it. Once that's locked, then just tighten up the bolt. So the brush cutter blade is now attached onto the attachment. Make sure you do fit it on correctly, because as you can see, we fitted it all tight. But yeah, it is going to be on the page 8 on the instruction manual, so follow the steps correctly. Next one now is the hedge trimmer attachment. The unique thing about this, it's got a 180 degrees angle. To get it into 90 degrees, pull this lever out, push that up. It's now in its 90-degree angle. As you can see, it's fully attached, so you can also change it to 180 degrees. Last but not least, guys, is the extension pole. For example, if you wanted to use the chainsaw bar attachment, you insert it this way and then attach it onto the body like the previous attachments this way. Also included with a shoulder strap, you have 5 different options how you want to attach it. Any further questions, guys, please feel free to drop a comment below. Contact us on WhatsApp, give us a call, even on social media on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. But yeah, check the tool out on toolsfortrade.co.uk.